Driftwood began with fantastic coffee tree. Over 15 years, it ensured that the wood we use is durable, robust, and resilient. Every piece is meticulously bred by skilled artisans, ensuring a smooth and refined finish. Our dedication to detail extends to the clean and polished surface of its products. Environmental sustainability. Our commitment to the environment is reflected in our sourcing practices. We responsibly harvest coffee wood from agricultural plantations, ensuring these trees, after yielding coffee beans, are repurposed rather than discarded. We garner immense support and love from customers worldwide, from the discerning market of Europe and Japan to the pet-loving community in the US and the UK. Our products have won head globally. By supporting our eco-friendly approach, you contribute to a cycle of sustainability and primarily new, more productive coffee trees. What sets the aquatic woods apart is not just the quality of our product, but the support you receive. Our experienced international sales team is equipped in support procedures, minimizing costs associated with packaging and transportation. Every product undergoes meticulous craftsmanship, ensuring superior quality. Plus, all our products are sterilized and meet strict export standards, ensuring safety for your beloved pets. The aquatic wood has made significant globally, serving as a reliable partner to over 45 countries and collaborating with more than 150 wholesale distributors. Looking ahead, Big Aquatic Wood is set to expand. Our future includes a larger factory, increasing capacity to 150 containers per year, and introducing a diverse range of products to meet all the needs of our valued partners. Big Aquatic Wood, where every tool tells a story about the quality, sustainability, and global trust. Treat your foreign brand to the best. Choose Big Aquatic Wood.